Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the 10th day of my lunchbox series and today I'll be making a simple tummy filling recipe. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll be sauteing some chopped onions and carrot. You can take half onion and one carrot, so saute them well. Now I am adding half a tomato and capsicums, which can be either red or green in color. Saute them well together. Now breaking the egg and add salt and pepper according to your choice and mix them well until the egg has been cooked well. Now the filling is ready, let's keep it aside. Let's take 4 bread slices, cut off the sides. I will be adding homemade mayonnaise above them. I have already posted a video of these homemade mayonnaise recipes in my channel. Do check it out. I will be giving the link in the iCard and description box below. Now I will be adding the filling. Press it gently. Cut them into 2 pieces. I am not toasting the bread, but if you want, you can toast the sandwich with butter or ghee, which will enhance the taste. Now the sandwiches are ready. Let's pack them. I will be taking 2 boxes for the sandwiches. For snacks, I will be keeping slices of cucumber and Mars chocolate. So this was today's video. I have already posted 9 such lunchbox recipes. Do check them out. The link for the same will be given in the description box below. Hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe for more interesting recipes. And also follow my Insta and FB page. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.